Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring you have a recent backup so troubleshooting won't cost data. Once done, open Start, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. That gives full access. Make sure the UAC prompt is accepted. It's required. While in admin mode, run System Info to note your Windows build and uptime because some commands behave differently on older releases. Now you're ready to run the first repair commands with confidence. Next, you'll check and repair system files. This fixes many boot and stability issues. First, run sfc/scano and wait for it to complete. It repairs protected files automatically. If SFC reports problems it can't fix, use dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. It downloads clean components from the image. Make sure to reboot after each major step because some replacements apply only on restart. If something fails, inspect CBS. Log and the DISM log to see which files or packages caused the error. Finally, resolve boot and connectivity faults to complete the repair. If Windows won't start, run bootrex/fixmber and bootrex/fixboot, then run bootrex/rebuild to find and re-register installations. For network issues, reset TCP/IP with netch-int IP reset and clear DNS with ipconfig/flushtons, reboot afterward. If a command returns permission or device errors, boot into safe mode and repeat the targeted steps. Troubleshooting tip: record any numeric error codes you see. They guide the next specific fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.